Daddy's going back. Don't worry.
Where's Daddy? Where's Daddy?
He's turning around.
Turn around. Turn around.
Yeah.
Where's Daddy?
I don't know where he is. But I know he's coming.
That is a baby. That's on my car.
Baby's in Mommy's car. Don't open it. He's gonna fall. Look it. Yeah.
Sir, I need yours.
Don't open the car.
On the dirt.
Don't, Nathan.
Look.
Jacob, what are you doing?
Out. Out.
He's stuck, Nathan.
Out. Look.
The door is locked.
There's locked.
But I can see him from here.
Mommy.
Wait, Daddy's coming. Where is he? I hear him.
Where's Daddy? Is there Daddy?
There he is.
On the right? On the Daddy. On the right.
I don't know. Come here. This way, honey.